Whether you're a homeowner, builder or subby, there's never been a more worrying time to be in construction.
It's pretty scary at the moment, everyone's dropping like flies. You don't know what's going to happen, you don't know who to work for, you don't know who to trust.
Across the country, volume builders collapsing are now a regular occurrence. Progress on Stuart Gregg's new home stalled 11 months ago.
Unfortunately, my builder has gone into liquidation and the property's basically all locked up.
And carpenters like Sam Lawless know late payments or even no payment are too common.
You speak to any tradie on the street and they'll tell you they owe thousands of dollars.
Contributing to consumer confidence plummeting to an all-time low.
It makes it a hard space to sell houses.
But a new app hopes to turn that around by restoring trust and transparency in the sector.
I believe myself, if a company had been around like this a while ago, pre-COVID, we may not have had the issues that we have today.
Former AFL footballer Clint Bartram experienced the heartbreak of being forced to sell after his builder went under. Now he's developed Paid Inc., an online platform where each brick and every window is financially accounted for.
When you're spending that sort of money, it's going in the right places.
The aim is to shift away from an often opaque paper-based system to a digital one that administers contracts, protects cash flow and reviews claims for all users.
We need to make sure that everyone's protected through that process.
Construction insolvencies across Australia equate to a $3 billion problem. No surprise when almost 70% of payments are late and 20% of construction contracts end in dispute.
We can make the industry a safer and a better place for everyone that's involved.
Dougal Beattie, 9 News.